Welcome! In front of me I have RoHS Smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the Fundu Pro application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon to open the app. In the app you should see the homepage. Now tap on the More option, and here you should see a category called My Device, and under it you should see your smartwatch. Let's wait until it's done syncing, and then tap on the smartwatch here, tap on Confirm. You will see this pop up. Basically what we need to do is to close the app, open the settings on our iPhone, settings, tap on Bluetooth. Here you should see smartwatch on the list of devices, tap on Info next to it, tap on Forget this device, and tap Forget device. And then you can close the settings as well. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.